Hey guys, so we're going to have another giveaway on the channel. This one is sponsored by GearBest, and it's part of their spring sale and 4th anniversary promotion. The item that we'll be giving away here is going to be the Aurora RC Mini Fight, and this was one of my top rated 2.5-inch micros so far this year. Obviously, if you've been watching my videos, you know that I now rate the Hornet 120 better than this one, but this is the one that GearBest is allowing me to give away as part of their promotion. And as far as a 2.5-inch micro, this is a very nice one. I highly recommend getting this one if you can. So in order to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, and I will need to be able to verify that you are subscribed, so you need to have your subscriptions public. The second thing you need to do is enter a comment below, and only one comment. If you enter more than one comment, you'll be disqualified. I'll have an announcement video the week of March the 26th, which is also the week of the GearBest sale, so be on the lookout for that video. I will select one winner and 2 alternates because it seems like in the last few giveaways the winners aren't stepping forward. And if you do watch that video within 24 hours, if the winner does not contact me, I will select one of the alternates, and if the second alternate does not contact me, I will select a third alternate. So be on the lookout for that announcement video with instructions on how to contact me. That video will be out on the week of the 26th. Also, just want to let you know that there's a pretty good promotion going on right now for a bunch of FuriBee products, and there's some coupon codes that are going to be in the description. So if you want to check out that sale and promotion codes, they'll be in the description below. Anyway, good luck to everyone, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.